Welcome to our educational video on asset management. In this video, we'll explore what asset management is, why it's important, and how you can effectively manage your assets. So what exactly is asset management? In simple terms, it refers to the systematic process of developing, operating, maintaining, and selling assets in a cost-effective manner. But why should you care? Managing your assets properly can lead to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved decision-making. Whether you're optimizing your personal finances, aspiring to enter the finance industry, or managing a company's resources, understanding asset management is crucial. Throughout this video, we'll break down the key components of asset management step by step. We'll discuss types of assets, from physical to financial to intangible. We'll delve into strategies like diversification, risk management, and asset allocation. We'll also highlight common challenges and provide practical solutions to overcome them. Finally, we'll look at real-life examples of successful asset management and draw valuable lessons from these cases. As we move forward, you'll see that asset management is not just a technical skill, but a vital part of achieving financial stability and growth. In this segment, we will explore the different types of assets you might encounter. Assets are categorized into three main types: physical, financial, and intangible. Each category plays a vital role in your overall asset management strategy. Physical assets include tangible items like real estate, machinery, and equipment. These are items you can touch and feel, forming the backbone of many businesses. Financial assets include stocks, bonds, and other investments crucial for building and maintaining wealth. Finally, we have intangible assets like intellectual property, brand reputation, and patents, which might not have a physical presence, but are just as important. Understanding these categories is essential for effective asset management. As we move forward, we'll delve into each type of asset in detail, providing you with the knowledge needed to manage them effectively. Stay with us as we uncover the specifics of physical assets next and learn how they form a critical part of your investment portfolio. Now that we've introduced the types of assets, let's delve deeper into one of the most tangible categories: physical assets. These include items that we can touch and see, such as real estate, machinery, and equipment. These are the backbone of many businesses and are fundamental in sectors like manufacturing, construction, and real estate. Understanding physical assets is crucial for effective asset management. They often require significant investment and ongoing maintenance. For instance, a piece of heavy equipment in a factory may need regular maintenance checks to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Likewise, real estate assets need periodic evaluations to maintain their market value and usability. Managing physical assets effectively can lead to improved operational efficiency and financial stability. As we proceed, you'll see how each type of asset plays a distinct role in the broader landscape of asset management, further highlighting the need for comprehensive strategies to manage your portfolio effectively. Financial assets are a cornerstone in asset management. These include stocks, bonds, and other forms of investments. Each plays a unique role in building wealth and ensuring financial stability. Being one of the primary categories of assets, understanding financial assets is crucial for anyone looking to manage their wealth effectively. Financial assets are anything that derives value from a contractual claim, including fixed income like bonds or variable income like stocks. These can be easily traded in financial markets, providing liquidity to the investor. Examples range from government and corporate bonds to mutual funds, ETFs, and individual stocks. Financial assets are integral to any serious investor's portfolio, providing income through dividends or interest and the potential for capital appreciation. Investing in financial assets is about securing financial freedom and creating a safety net for the future. As we dive deeper into asset management strategies, keep in mind the importance of financial assets in achieving your financial goals. Next, you'll see how these pieces fit into the broader strategy of asset management. Understanding intangible assets is crucial in asset management. These include elements like intellectual property, brand reputation, and patents. They hold significant value despite not having a physical presence. Think of a brand name like Coca-Cola or the patents held by tech giants like Apple. These assets drive a considerable portion of a company's market value. Unlike physical or financial assets, intangible assets provide a unique competitive edge, fostering innovation and customer loyalty. Recognizing their significance is vital because they often contribute to the long-term success and sustainability of a business. Effective management requires safeguarding and strategically leveraging intangible assets to enhance overall value. As we delve deeper into asset management strategies, keep in mind the weight that these assets carry. They shape the innovation, reputation, and long-term growth of companies worldwide. Next, you'll see how intangible assets interplay with other asset categories, forming the backbone of a robust asset management strategy. Effective asset management requires a well-thought-out strategy. It's not just about owning assets, it's about managing them wisely to maximize returns and minimize risks. Common strategies used by professionals include diversification, risk management, and asset allocation. Diversification spreads investments across various asset classes to reduce risk. Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential risks to protect your assets. Asset allocation focuses on distributing investments among different asset categories to meet your financial goals. Each strategy has unique benefits and challenges, but the key lies in understanding and applying them effectively. As we move forward, you'll see how diversification, risk management, and asset allocation work in practice, and how they can help you manage your assets more effectively. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into these strategies and learn how to apply them to real-world scenarios. Diversification is a strategy that involves spreading investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, investors can safeguard against market volatility and unexpected downturns in specific sectors. The primary benefit is risk reduction. When you diversify, the poor performance of one investment can be offset by the better performance of another. This balanced approach helps to stabilize your overall portfolio. Consider a diversified portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, and real estate. If the stock market dips, the bonds and real estate holdings might not be as affected, minimizing the impact on the entire portfolio. Investing in both domestic and international markets can also spread risk. While domestic markets are influenced by local economic conditions, international markets can provide growth opportunities. As we move forward, you'll see how practical risk management techniques can complement your diversification strategy and further protect your investments. Stay tuned to understand the nuances of managing risk effectively in the next segment. Risk management is the cornerstone of effective asset management. It's about identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential risks that could impact your assets. Managing risk helps protect your investments from unforeseen events and market volatility. Without a risk management strategy, you could expose your portfolio to significant losses and miss out on opportunities for growth. Let's dive into some common techniques for managing risk. One popular method is diversification, spreading investments across various asset classes to minimize the impact of a poor-performing asset. Another technique involves regular monitoring and rebalancing, adjusting your portfolio to maintain your desired level of risk. Additionally, using insurance products or hedging strategies can provide an extra layer of security. By implementing these techniques, you're not just safeguarding your assets, but also positioning yourself for long-term success. As we move forward, you'll see how these strategies integrate with other aspects of asset management. Next, let's explore the importance of asset allocation. Asset allocation is critical to effective asset management. It involves distributing investments among different asset categories, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to optimize returns and manage risk. By diversifying your investments, you protect your portfolio against market volatility and economic downturns. The benefits include a more balanced portfolio, reduced risk, and maximized returns. For example, a well-allocated portfolio might include a mix of equities for growth, bonds for stability, and real estate for income generation. Each asset class behaves differently under various market conditions, adding a layer of protection and enhancing potential gains. Imagine an investor with a portfolio comprising 60% equities, 30% bonds, and 10% real estate. This allocation balances growth potential with risk management. As we move forward, we'll explore how performance monitoring plays a vital role in fine-tuning your asset allocation strategy and keeping your investments on track. Performance monitoring is a crucial aspect that ensures you stay on top of your asset management game. It involves consistently tracking the performance of your assets to make informed decisions and adjust your strategy as needed. Regular monitoring not only helps identify what's working, but also uncovers areas for improvement. Using performance monitoring tools such as dashboards and analytic software, you can gain real-time insights into your assets' performance metrics. This empowers you to respond promptly to market changes and optimize your investments effectively. Continuous performance monitoring fosters a proactive approach, allowing you to anticipate potential issues and mitigate risks before they escalate. It plays a vital role in maintaining asset health and maximizing returns. Next, we'll explore common challenges in asset management and how to navigate through them. Asset management isn't without its hurdles. Among the most significant challenges are market volatility, economic downturns, and regulatory changes. Market volatility can drastically impact asset values, often without warning. This unpredictability requires asset managers to be vigilant and adaptable at all times. Economic downturns can influence both short-term financial results and long-term strategies, often meaning reevaluating and adjusting plans to safeguard assets. Additionally, navigating the maze of regulatory changes poses another significant challenge. Shifting rules and regulations bring new compliance requirements and impact asset management strategies. Successfully overcoming these challenges demands a comprehensive understanding of market trends, economic conditions, and regulatory landscapes. As we move forward, you'll see how to tackle these issues effectively and turn challenges into opportunities, ensuring a robust asset management strategy. In the face of challenges like market volatility and economic downturns, proactive steps can make all the difference. Diversification involves spreading investments across various asset classes to reduce exposure to any single risk. Next, we've got risk management. It's not just about identifying potential threats, but also having a plan to mitigate them. By actively managing risk, you safeguard your assets against unforeseen events. Staying informed is also essential. Staying updated on market trends and news helps you make timely decisions and adapt your strategy as needed. Overcoming challenges in asset management is not just about reacting to problems, it's about anticipating them and being prepared. As we move forward, let's delve into real-life examples that showcase these strategies in action. Now, let's dive into real-life examples of how successful asset management can make a difference. Our first case study involves a mid-sized company that optimized its physical and financial assets. By reallocating resources and adopting a diversified investment strategy, they saw a significant increase in their returns within just 2 years. In our second case study, we look at a tech startup that capitalized on its intangible assets, such as patents and brand reputation. Through strategic asset allocation and performance monitoring, they managed to navigate economic downturns and maintain steady growth. These examples demonstrate the importance of understanding the unique characteristics of each asset type and the benefits of a well-rounded asset management strategy. Effective asset management isn't just about maximizing returns, it's about sustainable growth and long-term success. As we move forward, we'll explore more practical tools and techniques you can apply. To summarize, throughout this video, we've explored the diverse types of assets and their crucial roles in asset management. We've delved into essential strategies, emphasizing the importance of diversification, strategic asset allocation, and rigorous performance monitoring. We've highlighted common challenges, such as market volatility and economic downturns, and provided strategies to navigate these effectively. From risk management techniques to staying informed about market trends, we've equipped you with actionable solutions. As we now conclude, you should feel more confident and knowledgeable about managing assets effectively. Thank you for watching our comprehensive video on asset management. We trust that the insights and strategies shared have provided you with valuable knowledge to manage your own assets effectively. Remember, the key to successful asset management lies in understanding the different asset types, applying well-rounded strategies, and staying informed about potential challenges. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us for more in-depth educational content. Your support allows us to continue bringing you high-quality, informative videos. Once again, thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay engaged, stay knowledgeable, and continue to take charge of your asset management journey.